Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel SRIP Edu Farm. Today we are going to assess ourselves that where we stand. We will be having multiple choice questions related to our previous two videos of Indian Pharmacopoeia. Hope you have seen those videos. If you have not, just go back and have a quick watch of those videos and then we will be starting multiple choice questions related to Indian Pharmacopoeia. So now we'll be starting our questions. Are you ready with your pencil and paper or pen and paper? So before starting the questions, I will give you a key point of solving the multiple choice questions. You just read the question and write the answer that comes in your mind in the paper without reading what are the options given. That I mean to say is you just hide the answers in the options given and then you just write the answer. Why we do this? Because when we see the options, then our mind gets confused and we just mix what the answer is. We are very much confused what the correct answer is. So the better option is you just write the answer. So the first question is the Indian Pharmacopoeia list was published in the year. So do you remember where we have studied that? So the answer could be 1946, 1956, 1966 or 1985. You just try to remember some things. I will give you a few hints. Was it published before independence or after independence? Was it published with first edition or after first edition? You just try to remember these answers, then you will get the correct answer. Okay, now we come to second question. Oh, it is very easy. The latest edition of the Indian Pharmacopoeia is Dash edition and was published in the year Dash. Answer is 7th edition 2017 or 7th edition 2018 or 8th edition 2017 or 8th edition 2018. This question is I think very easy because one full video we have made related to this only. Now we will be coming towards third question. The veterinary supplement was added to Dash edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia in the year Dash. Answer could be 4th edition 2000, 4th edition 2001, 5th edition 2000, 5th edition 2007. You just remember the animal related supplements were added to which edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia? We have studied this in our video. So the next question is, till 2018 there were how many editions of Indian Pharmacopoeia? It is a tricky question. Tell me 4, 5, 8 or 9. Next question is, Indian Pharmacopoeia is published by Dash on behalf of Dash. A. Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission Government of India or Indian Pharmacopoeia Committee Government of India, then Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission Prime Minister of India or none. Now comes sixth question. In the Indian Pharmacopoeia 2018, dash new monographs were added. 210, 220, 230, 240. Just try to remember how many monographs we had studied. There was a table in which we had studied there were how many chemical monographs, herbal, radiopharmaceutical, etc. If you just remember, you visualize that table, you will get the answer of this question. Now this is very important question. In the latest edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia, that is IP, the pyrogen test has been replaced by dash in parenteral preparations. You have to write it is replaced by which test? A. Bacterial endotoxin test, B. Bacterial exotoxin test, C. Microbial test or D. None of the above. Eighth question. In the latest edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia, dash, that is how many new fixed dose combination monographs have been included? 20, 25, 53, or none of the above? You remember how many new fixed dose combinations were included? Now comes ninth question. In the latest edition of IP, 15 new monographs of dash have been included. Means which category of products or which category of drugs have been included? A is herbal related, B blood and blood related products, C biotechnology derived, or D radiopharmaceuticals. You have to remember 15 number was for what? You remember there was a slide in which we have properly written that 15 new monographs were of what? So this is the last question. In the latest edition of IP, dash monographs were removed or omitted. First of all, you remember, were any monographs removed from IP, latest IP, or not? If removed, then how many monographs were removed? 5, 6, 7, or none? So we have completed 10 questions. Now you just go back and see you have written the answers of all the 10 questions. Then immediately we will be discussing the answers. The answer of the first question is the Indian Pharmacopoeia list was published in the year 1946. So it was before independence. It was before first edition of IP. Then the latest edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia is 8th edition and it was published in 2018. We have given a complete video of IP 2018. The veterinary supplement was added to dash edition of Indian Pharmacopoeia in the year dash. So it was added to the 5th edition and it was added in the year 2000. Then till 2018 there were how many editions of Indian Pharmacopoeia? 8. The question could also be asked till 2019 or till the 2020. How many editions of IP were published? So till now only 8 editions have been published. Now 5th, Indian Pharmacopoeia is published by Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission on behalf of Government of India. Now we will come to answer of 6th one. In the Indian Pharmacopoeia 2018, how many new monographs were added? So there were 220 new monographs added. You remember the table, we have given complete bifurcation of this T220. In the latest edition of IP, the pyrogen test has been replaced by dash in parenteral preparations. Bacterial endotoxin test is the correct answer. In the latest edition of IP, dash new fixed dose combination monographs have been included. Answer is 53. You just remember we had learned that there were 53 new FDCs added. Out of that, 25 were included which are not present in any of the IPs published before. Then in the latest edition of IP, 15 new monographs of herbal related monographs have been included. 15 number was for herbal. The last question, in the latest edition of IP, dash monographs were removed or omitted. So answer is 7. 7 monographs were removed. So here we come to the end. You just see what is the score and I will feel very happy if you share with us in the comment section. So dear students, how was this video? Hope you have scored good. Write in your comment section that you scored how much and then like, share and subscribe the channel SRIP Edu Farm. Thank you so much for liking us.